Hi, my name is Rob McCollum. I'm the director of the American Language and Culture Center at Southern Utah University. And the goal of this video is to give you an introduction to how to navigate the English pronunciation workshop. Let's go ahead and learn about it. So our English pronunciation workshop is delivered through the university's learning management system, which is called Canvas. And this video will invite you to learn more about the purpose of the workshop, as well as how to navigate to that workshop and how to complete the workshop assignments. The goal of the English pronunciation workshop is to help you better understand the English sound system and how the sound system connects to the English spelling pattern system. We also hope that this will help you get better at teaching the sound and spelling system to your learners. So this should help learners improve their reading skills, their writing skills, their listening skills, and their speaking skills. So even though this is a pronunciation workshop, it should help in all areas of English usage. And we hope that it not only helps you become more confident in your use of English pronunciation, but then it gives you the skills and strategies so that you can help your students do the same. Our workshop will be delivered over 4 weeks. In our first week, we will learn about the sounds and something called the phonetic skills of English. We'll start with skills 1 and 2. In the second week, we'll learn more about English spelling patterns, and we'll cover phonetic skills 3 through 5. Then by week 3, we get into larger words, and we learn the decoding skills, where we can really predict the pronunciation of almost any word in English using these skills that we've learned. And in week 4, we'll learn about suprasegmentals. These are the features of English pronunciation that go beyond the word level and help us have a more easily understood English pronunciation. As I mentioned, I'm your workshop instructor. My name is Rob McCollum, and I work with the American Language and Culture Center at Southern Utah University. If you have any questions or concerns throughout your workshop experience, please feel free to contact me. You can email me, or you can send me a message through the Canvas system. So let's learn about this Canvas system. Canvas is the website that Southern Utah University uses to deliver course content. And you can access this by going to the SUU main website, suu.edu. When you're there, you will log in to the My SUU portal. When you click on that link, you will be asked to enter your SUU username and password. And this should have been generated and sent to you by email. And so you should have this, and you can use that information to log into the My SUU portal. When you log in, you'll see a screen somewhat like this one here, where it says My SUU portal at the top. And there are a variety of announcements and links. You'll want to choose the link near the top right corner. This is called Canvas. This is our learning management system. When you click on that link, you'll be taken into Canvas. And this is the Canvas dashboard. It will probably only have one course, our course, the ALCC English Pronunciation Workshop. When you click on that course, then you'll have access to our course materials. So let's take a moment now to go look at that. Here is my dashboard in Canvas. And here is our course for the English pronunciation workshop. When you enter that course, you should see the different units for the course. And each unit will have a quiz and a discussion. Discussions are optional. They give you an opportunity to ask questions or share ideas related to the course material. You're welcome to post a picture and introduce yourself so I can get to know you better. To do that, you can read the discussion topic, and then you can hit the reply button and compose your response. You can also reply directly to another user's post by clicking the reply button at the bottom of their post. Back here on the homepage, you'll have all of the different units for the workshop. The unit information is delivered through quizzes. But don't stress out. You can take these quizzes as many times as you like. The goal is just to help you feel comfortable with the material. So if at first you have some confusion or you make some mistakes, that's okay. You can go back, rewatch the video that's part of the quiz, and then answer the questions again. Let's demonstrate how this works. So here is the Unit 1 quiz. Our goal here is to watch the video, and then we'll respond to the practice questions. Okay. There are 6 questions worth 10 points, and you can retake it as many times as you like. So when you go ahead and you start the quiz here, you'll be able to watch the video. Now you can either click the link and let the video open in a new window and watch it on the YouTube website, or you can watch it within the Canvas window, okay, with the YouTube player. And you'll watch the video if you want. You can skip ahead if there's certain parts of the video that you want to review, okay, and you can get that information. When you're done with the video, you'll come down and you will answer the questions. Some questions require you to select more than one answer. Other questions have only one answer, one correct answer. When you've answered all questions, you can submit your quiz, and it will automatically grade your quiz. If you don't get a score that you're satisfied with, you're welcome to retake the quiz. You can watch the video again if you like and answer the questions. If you're still struggling with some of the information from the videos or not sure why you're getting a certain quiz item incorrect, that's a great time to either contact me or post your question to the discussion board and we can talk about it together. So I look forward in working with you through our pronunciation workshop and helping you feel more comfortable and confident with English pronunciation and how that impacts reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills.